Step-by-step skincare routine for teenage. Method 1. Everyday skincare. 1. When you wake in the morning, wash your face. This will take away any sweat and oil that has built up over the night. It will also wake you up a bit more as well as give you a shine-free face for the morning. When washing your face, never use soap, unless it is specific soap for face washing. This is a mistake that many girls make. Normal soap that we use to wash our hands and body can irritate the pores on the face and help acne and pimples get started. When washing your face, use a special facial cleanser or even just water and a cloth, which will be enough to keep the loose skin, oil, and dirt to an acceptable level. Don't worry about aggressively removing oil or other matter from the surface. Acne is a problem of excessive oil production and clogs within pores, not a problem of surface obstruction of pores. Do not forget the sunscreen, whether summer or winter sunscreen is a must. Even in winter the sun's radiations affect your skin. So start young and you will age with grace. 2. In the morning, after you've eaten breakfast and brushed your teeth, apply lip balm. This is important especially if you have chapped lips. But even if you don't, it's still a good idea, just to keep your lips looking smooth and kissable. 3. Put on a bit of cream. If you have dry skin on your hands, put some hand cream on in the morning. Just make sure that you don't put on too much, since it will make your hands oily and slippery. 4. During the school day, you don't need to worry about your face that much. If your face gets really oily, buy some special tissues that remove excess oil on your face, available from Mary Kay as well as other companies. Don't wash your face during the day. 6. After cleansing, moisturize. For teenagers, this is something that can help you have beautiful skin if done right, or give you loads of acne if done wrong. Make sure when you're buying a facial moisturizer, that it's actually a facial moisturizer, and it's lightweight. Lightweight means that it's not heavy and oily, so it won't add to the oil on your skin or clog your pores. This is very important. 7. After that, apply some lip balm. 8. Then apply lotions. If your legs are dry from shaving them, moisturize them. The moisturizer you buy for your legs doesn't matter. Just don't use a lightweight moisturizer on them because it won't help. If your hands are dry, this is a great time to apply lots and lots of hand cream, since it has hours and hours to soak into your skin. 9. Voila! You have a great skincare regime. Repeat from step 1 to 8 every day for great looking skin. Method 2. Edit. Special skin treatments. 1. Exfoliate your skin once a week. Exfoliation does not need to be done every day, as this can make your skin irritated and raw over time. Instead, aim to exfoliate your skin once every 1 to 2 weeks to remove dead skin and soften it up. You can use a homemade exfoliating treatment, or use a store-bought one. Simply wet your skin, scoop some of the exfoliant onto your fingertips, and massage it onto your skin. Do this for 60 seconds, and then use a bit of warm water to rinse it off. Try mixing sugar with honey for a homemade exfoliant. If your skin is sensitive, you can use oatmeal mixed with honey to buff down your skin. 2. Use a face mask once every 2 to 4 weeks. Face masks do a few things, depending on the one that you're using. They work to remove toxins in your skin, clear out your pores, and get rid of dead skin cells and dry. They are best used once every 2 to 4 weeks, as they may dry out your skin if used more frequently than that. To use a face mask, wet your face and scoop some of the mask onto your fingertips. Spread it evenly over your skin, and allow it to dry for 20 to 30 minutes. until no longer tacky. Then, use warm water and a damp cloth to wipe the mask off your face. You can use masks as a spot treatment on pimples. Simply dab it onto a zit, and leave it to dry overnight. Wash it off in the morning, and the redness and tenderness of your pimple will be greatly reduced. Mud masks are generally the most popular, but there are many kinds that you can find to use. 3. Use pore cleansing strips to get rid of blackheads. Pore cleansing strips are a type of cotton strip with an adhesive on one side. The adhesive side is pressed onto your skin, and when you pull the strip off, it removes any blackheads that might have been present. Pore cleansing strips are generally only needed when you're breaking out. They are usually used on the face, on the nose and chin, but can be used on any part of the body that has blackheads. Follow the package directions for your strips, and finish up by washing and moisturizing your face. Step-by-step skincare routine for teenage.